guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is a vlog about my first time in Paris. So we finally arrived at the hotel after a 17-hour flight. The room is so good, and this is the view from our room. Oh my god, it looks so good, and the room is very cozy. I stayed with a Hyatt Regency hotel, and here I am getting ready to have my first day out in Paris. Day one in Paris. For my first day in Paris, I decided to go to Opera Garnier, one of the famous landmarks and a must-visit in Paris. The place was really beautiful with lots of great architecture. It was just so beautiful in the inside. There was a lot of art and culture to experience inside. I believe I spent around 4 hours inside taking photos and just breathing in and appreciating the arts and culture of the French people. From memory, I had to pay 15 euros. There's a 10 euro ticket discounted for certain individuals, and children under 12 are accepted in for free. I highly recommend booking the tickets in advance, as when I got in, I saw a massive line outside waiting to buy tickets. And it's a great way to save time in Paris to always purchase the tickets in advance. God, girl, I'm gonna miss you. Ah! Thank you for this Paris trip.
You're welcome. You're always welcome here in Paris.
Love you. I'm about to do the catacombs of Paris. It's exciting. It's an underground cemetery. And it's gonna be a different experience from all the experiences I did because I mainly did girly things with my friend Angel. And this is gonna be different because I'm gonna be touching like bones and all that. It's such an exciting trip. Anyways, see you later. Ciao, ciao. Alright guys, update. I've been walking for 10 minutes. I'm starting to feel a bit creeped out because some of the people in the tour, they're still down there and some of them walked ahead of me. So I'm a bit creeped out because I'm alone right now. 2 minute steps, guys. This is a souvenir. This one. Cute. I'm going to Trocadero. I just put the subtitle there where I'm trying to go because I don't know if I said it correctly. Anyways, it's very cloudy here in Paris today. Hi. Very excited. Doing some more sightseeing, eating, and shopping. Ciao, ciao. On top of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Dream come true.